then a pic, then I could recall you.
Yeah. बिश्नोई सर कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया हूँ। विनी कैसी है?
Sir, all good. आप बताइए. It's been what? How many years?
Yes, almost 17 years.
Oh my God. लेकिन आप सब तो वैसे ही लगते हो. ये हम ही बड़े हो गए क्या?
Compliment, ऐसे ही
You are
लगते
also
हैं.
looking the same.
हाँ जी.
You are also looking the same.
नहीं मैं
Same नहीं, that's not, rather more beautiful, more sweet.
मैं
Becoming
ऑनलाइन इल्यूजन दे रही हूँ मैं और कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, you are looking more beautiful, more sweet, more smart.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So how's the situation there? Like COVID, like is there any lockdown or how it is?
Oh, now it's improving. Earlier it was worst, but better now.
Okay. All right.
So Pramod, what is the condition?
Formally start. करो.
So Pramod has been, pushing me that, I mean, it's been 1 year. And to be frank, I'm really shy about, what to talk about my journey. आप सब लोग इतने, मतलब, you are my professors. आपके सामने मैं क्या ही बोलूंगी. So
बेटा, parents हमेशा बच्चों से सीखते हैं. हम आपसे भी सीखेंगे अभी. आप, you are the quite young, and we people are learning from you also.
मैम, ये इंटरेक्शन सिर्फ हम लोगों के लिए नहीं है ना. This is largely for the students.
Yeah.
मैं बता रहा हूँ को ये इंटरेक्शन सिर्फ हमारे लिए नहीं है. It's largely for the students.
हाँ जी sir. I can see Karampal sir also. Hello sir. कैसे हैं आप?
Hello, Meenakshi. How are you?
All good sir. आप बताइए.
बहुत ही अच्छा है. आप लोगों को देख के और भी अच्छा लगता है.
Yes.
आप लोगों को ढूंढ के इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो लाने का पर्पस यही कि मेमोरी फ्रेश हो जाए और आपकी एक्सपीरियंस बच्चों के साथ शेयर हो जाए.
सर मेरी तो एकदम से रिफ्रेश हो गई. बाकी मुझे नहीं पता कैसा जाएगा. But already so good.
आपसे मिलने के बाद ना बताया तो है कि हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है बेटा. एल्यूमनाई तो हमारी रियल एसेट्स हैं. You people are the real assets of the university, of the teachers.
I think this is the best benefit which we are taking from this online platform.
Yeah, I agree. But I think we need to have this alumni meet also, and we all need to meet. That is actually, I mean, I have mentioned to Sanjeev sir, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग? I don't know. I would love to come personally there.
Sanjeev sir will definitely respond to this question.
नहीं, अभी एक बार बंद खत्म हो जाए. Let this lockdown period end, and then we'll definitely do it.
Let the normalcy prevails.
Yes. Anyway, Pramod, what's
yes,
the
sir.
delay?
Let's start, I think.
Delay
Okay,
क्या है?
sir.
या अभी कुछ और wait करें? No issue. Pramod,
Sir,
as you say.
Sir, we were waiting for other students to join. So
Okay, it's more than 80, and I suppose.
I-
80.
We should start, I think. They will keep joining.
okay, sir. So Kajal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please start.
Okay. A very good afternoon, everyone. Me, Kajal, welcomes you all here at HSBN Stock 6.0. A grand welcome to Professor Karampal Iqbal, Director, Haryana School of Business, Professor Shabdam Saxena, Dean, Haryana School of Business, Professor Sanjeev Kumar, our coordinator, Miss Meenakshi, our speaker and inspiration for today, Professor Vinod Kumar Bishnoi, Senior Professor Harbhajan Bansal, Professor Usha Arora, Dean Academic Affairs, GJU SNT, and our respected faculty members and dear students, I welcome you all. Thank you so much for this. And here, her smile is a logo, her personality is a business card, her experiences becomes her trademark. Founder of Ultradox and International Essential Oils Company 2020, founder of Kalpataru, which means a wish-fulfilling divine tree, an organization working towards kids' education and women wellness and empowerment. Prior to this, she has co-founded, incubated a few business in IT, semiconductor chip design space. She has a vast experience and has played a very different roles here also, like a business strategies, and she has a relationship management, B2B sales also, and she has connected the dots, resolve any complex problem while keeping it simple. She led global business for Perfect VIPs, US-based semiconductor design and services company, and among more organization to work with strong profile and a talented brain. And I'm very much happy to tell you all that she was a part of PJU only in 2002 to 4 batch as a student of HSP. And I'm talking about none other than Miss Meenakshi, and a grand welcome and a thank you so much for the gratitude, ma'am, that you have joined and given your time. And now I would like to say, Professor Karampal Narwal, please come and please share your views on this.
Thank you. Thank you. But in fact, I wanted Professor Sanjeev sir to start this. Professor Sanjeev sir is there. Yeah, I heartily welcome Meenakshi.
Thank you.
And I must say in single lines, she is true international professional as on today. And we all are really proud of you. We all welcome you
Thank
to
you.
interact with your own juniors, and they will learn a lot from you. But for all details about Meenakshi and formal welcome, I would request Professor Sanjeev Kumar please to take on and to take the proceeding further.
Professor Bishnoi is doing the honor today.
Okay, yeah,
Yes, sir.
let Professor Vinod do it, please. In fact,
Okay.
I will rejoin this meeting. I have parallel another meeting. First time I'm completing the evening. I will come back soon.
No issues. So, welcome Meenakshi on this virtual platform. Actually,
Thank you, sir.
as you said that we wanted to meet physically, that the time has gone by, and it has almost 17 years when we last see you. So, Meenakshi, dear students, I could remember that a girl who wanted to seek admission and who was confused somewhere that to seek admission in Guru Jambeshwar University or to seek admission somewhere in Kurukshetra University, as at that time there was a common counseling program. So somehow she opted for Guru Jambeshwar University, and I hope that she enjoyed every bit of moment at this place. So as a student, I cannot call because notorious is a wrong parlance, but naughty is a, I hope, is a right parlance I am speaking of, that she was. So as a student, I would say that a what you call little above average student. I don't say that Meenakshi was a brilliant student as far as student is concerned, but she was a brilliant presenter. I would say that whatever task would assign to her, it was wonderful to listen her, that she could put all her efforts into that. And she was the pioneer of organizing all the kind of programs on the campus. And whether it was, I was the coordinator NSS at that time, whether it was Ma Tujhe Salam or some, I still remember Priyanka Sharma was the other student, and they could mix up and could organize so many programs. I mean, you name any program, and every program was, a girl was behind the program. That was Meenakshi. And Kenna was the other partner of Meenakshi. And even today's, if we talk of the students tour program, students are not able to. बड़ी मुश्किल होती है उनको कि यहाँ से पैसे इकट्ठे करो, वहां से करो. और उस जमाने में एक ही बंदे को बोलना होता था, मीनाक्षी को बोलना होता था कि टूर जाना है. And she could arrange within minutes and could arrange the teachers as well. अभी तो टीचर्स का मिलना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, तो टीचर्स को भी वो हैप्पीली उसमें वो तिलिस्म था उसकी पर्सनैलिटी में, आज भी है, जो जिससे वो सबको कर लेती थी. मैं तो मुझे तो घर पड़े भी ले गए थे पे. I was not ready. I was having the you remember the smaller younger one, जिसको तुम जो है रोहतांग पास पे उठा के ले गई थी मेरे से जा रहा था बहुत बुरी तरह से.
Oh my God! You remember all this, sir.
And now he's he's MBBS doctor.
Oh wow!
That's great. That's great.
So you and he was weeping like anything because he was shivering there. So you people took away from me and my madam away that very younger son of mine. And सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताना चाहता हूँ कि भाई यूनिवर्सिटी में इससे पंगा लेना बहुत मुश्किल था मीनाक्षी से. ये किसी की भी, मैं असली बात करूं हरियाणवी में तो किसी की बैंड बजा सकती थी कोई. बहुत कम लोग डेयर करते थे कि भाई उससे पीछा छुड़ाओ यार, जो मांग रही है दे दो. जो टूर बनाना बना लो. तो मेरा सब स्टूडेंट से ये कहना है कि भाई ये such kind of students are actually the real icon who hails to humble background and they are truly self-built. जिन्होंने खुद से अपने आप को बनाया है, खुद से धक्के खाए हैं, खुद से जिंदगी सीखी है, ये उन लोगों में से है. और डिपार्टमेंट में भी खुद जो स्टूडेंट थे, तो मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं था कि क्लास बंक किया है. क्लास तो सबकी लगानी होती थी. उस टाइम पे क्लास बंकिंग का कोई सिस्टम ही नहीं होता था एक्चुअली. दैट वाज नॉट देयर. और हम लोग भी इतने वो थे कि हमें पता चल जाता था क्लास में आज कौन बैठा नहीं है. तो ये सारे इन सिस्टम से हम गो थ्रू हुए हैं. और बहुत सारी खट्टी मीठी यादें बीच में आएंगी तो जरूर शेयर करेंगे. बट मैं ये मानता हूँ कि एक लड़की जो कुरुक्षेत्र से चल के गुरु जम्बेश यूनिवर्सिटी में आई, 2 साल एज स्टूडेंट बहुत अच्छे से बिताए और सबका दिल जीता. और ऐसा भी किया कि वो मोटरसाइकिल पे चढ़ के जो है किसी टीचर के घर पे गिफ्ट डाल जाती है बर्थडे का, और विद दिस व्यू के टीचर को पता नहीं चलेगा.
याद है सर ये सब.
सो समहाउ मुझे वो सारी बातें याद है.
So nice.
मेमोरी फ्रेश कर दी सर ने.
और यहाँ से चल के और वो जर्नी सब एक देश में विदेश में सब जगह पे अपना जाके और वापिस आके फ्रेश स्टार्ट करके और एक मकाम जो आज हासिल किया है, एक कंपनी खड़ी कर दी है, साथ में एक एनजीओ खड़ा कर दिया है. मतलब मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही क्या बोलता हूँ, मुझे ना बड़े अंदर से बहुत प्रसन्नता हो रही है. आंसू आ सकते हैं, मैं इस पोजीशन पे हूँ. तो अपने स्टूडेंट को इस तरह से देख के, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स टू इंट्रोड्यूस बिफोर यू आर आयरन लेडी Meenakshi Sharma before you. So now it is between the students and the Meenakshi, whatever you want to communicate to them, please.
Thank you so much, sir. I mean, I'm emotional about it, and more than that, I am like amazed to know that these small incidents, you still remember. And ये मेरे CPU के किसी कॉर्नर में, आई एम श्योर these are sitting somewhere. When you're narrating it, it is reminding me of that day, when all these things have happened. And I remember that motorcycle का जो आप एकदम से मेरे दिमाग में popped up हुआ, literally. Thank you so much. Especially it is coming from you means a lot to me. And you have appreciated, yes, but not like this. And coming this appreciation like this is it really means a lot to me. So thank you so much. So guys, I would like to share my journey with you all. I think very beautifully sir has explained a few things. I did not even know that he knows so much about me, about my journey, that how I have started things and all. So I'll just start with, what exactly I'm doing right now. And then I will also, discuss about a few learnings, which I have learned during my journey and which can be, useful for you all. So today I'm running 3 ventures, 3 different organizations. I have a company called Pacific Consulting, which is a IT staffing company. It's around $5 million business. It is based out of India. I'm a Noida-based company, and we are expanding our wings in different parts of India, like Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad. And we have a plan to have an exit after 5 years. And we are really, really hoping that we will take this company to, $30-40 million by 2026. So that's one. Apart from this, I have an organization which is like NGO, non-profit organization called Kalptaru, which is working towards women empowerment and kids education. So under which I am opening evening schools across India. So as of now, we have opened 4 schools, which are majorly in Haryana as of now, because I know mostly people there. Because of COVID, we could not able to open more, but this year we have a plan to have at least 20 plus schools across India. Apart from that, my biggest vision, literally my dream project, is Ultrado X. Ultrado X means ultra trado, a big business. So that's what I'm trying to create. Whosoever is going to associate with this, definitely, there is a big, portion of business for all the stakeholders. That's the, thought process I have behind it. So this is like, I'm building an aggregator platform for mid and small size manufacturers and distillers and farmer distillers, which would cater as one-stop shop for industrial buyers like pharmaceutical, cosmetics, food, fragrance. And it will provide 360-degree of services for like logistics, testing, insurance, these kind of facilities. So 75% of these manufacturers who are small, they are not able to get the visibility in the international market. So that is what I'm trying to build for them, and will provide and enable multiple facilities for them. So this is something I'm doing right now. We are in the first phase, and it is going to be world's largest platform for this mid-size manufacturers. So we have started with India. So I'm onboarding the suppliers right now, and the product is also getting ready. We have already started the transactions, and certain kind of revenues we have generated, but we are in a very early stage right now. And most probably by September, we will be up with our first version of product. And we will seek for VC funding in the next 6 to 8 months of time. So this is what I'm building right now. And for that also, I'll actually talk to you all separately. In fact, I'm looking for some kind of interns, who all can, work for this company. Now coming to my journey, it has been quite interesting, I should say that. If I talk about my childhood, we have been, we are 4 siblings, and I was the 3rd one. And the way like Bishnoi sir has mentioned that, yes, there has been, reasons to everything, why you become you. So my eldest was a sister, she was the first one. So she was very, very close to my parents. Second one was my brother, because he was a boy. So North India, there was, that kind of a culture. Though I have got a very good brought up, I should say that, but still kuch cheeze thi which without even knowing I have opted for. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था मेरा कुछ कुछ जगह ही नहीं है लाइफ में, मैं कहीं कुछ हुई नहीं. So just to get the attention of my parents, I have started taking the initiatives in multiple things. Anything which is related to outside work, grocery ho gayi, even vegetables, and kuch bhi leke aana, even dropping my sister to college. I used to do that. I was in 6th standard when I started riding bike. When I see my kids today, I have 2 kids, my daughter is in 7th standard. I mean, I can't imagine that I can allow her to go outside and ride a bike. So, I mean, yeah, so all these things, I did. And believe me, I had created, that kind of a trust in my parents that, seeing my, activities and my initiatives and my responsible behavior, they used to, trust me a lot. So this is one big lesson which I have learned, be it a corporate world or your personal life. Taking initiatives, responsibility, and honestly, fulfilling it will definitely build, the trust among people. And it works. And believe me, people cannot ignore you. Another big lesson which I have learned from my own life is dreaming big. Dream, 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 and just work on it. Miracle होते हैं और इसी life में होते हैं. And I am the biggest example of that. Since my childhood, I have seen a lot of, dreams, and I have worked on that. If you have right kind of focus, if you have right kind of attitude, you would get the power to find out your own ways. And you won't believe, I worked as a radio jockey. I got selected as air hostess. I got selected as actress for Ekta Kapoor's serial. But I wanted to become a businesswoman. So I left everything, one by one. Literally, I decided, and I just kept, saying no to everything. I explored so many options, for myself. I ensured that ये जो मुझे dream लगता है ना, I mean, there has to be a vision from, from my heart, whatever I want to do. So this vision and this dream has pushed me, towards this particular goal, which I'm doing today. In fact, my father wanted me to do engineering or civil services, and he was very, very strict person. Because he wanted me to be an engineer, I just went for, physics, chemistry ka tuition karne ke liye. Morning 4 o'clock I used to go. 3-4 months I did. I came back to him saying that, see, you asked me to do it, I tried it, but believe me, I'm meant for something else. And that's how I got admission in, e-commerce after 10th. उस वक्त में कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ school नहीं रहते थे. So somehow I got, admission in one of the college there. And I did my graduation from there. Another big lesson which I want to share with you all is, taking the criticism as feedback and practice until you master it. This is like literally, coming from my own experience. One of the biggest trait which has played an important role in my life, in my journey, in fact. I've got a lot of criticisms in my life. Like as sir also mentioned that I was pretty rebellious kid, very notorious, but was very focused in terms of what I want in my life. I also believe that you have one life, you have to get the best out of it. Life में ये लगना नहीं चाहिए कि ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, and all that. But still you need to be super responsible for your own activities. I have failed multiple times. Actually, I have failed every step. But I got up again. And then I worked on that. I practiced again. So I'll give you one example. I was in 5th standard. So I had a teacher. She was like mother of my friend. And we were, some writing we had, some homework we were working on. So I gave my notebook to her, and she threw my, notebook and said, "Ki aapne apna writing dekha hai? Just go and see my daughter's handwriting." This particular incident, it was so difficult for me to digest. You won't believe, 14 days I spent on my writing. I got these many cursive writing, books, notebooks. I just kept on practicing. मैंने तब तक practice किया जब तक कि, and मैं हर तीसरे दिन जाके teacher को अपनी notebook दिखाती थी. I was just waiting that she would say that, okay, wow, you have improved a lot. She never said that. But after that, for certain years, I was like one of the top student in handwriting competition. That gave me the confidence and, confidence in my own philosophy that doesn't matter who is saying what. If you do a proper analysis and you feel that, okay, this can be a productive and constructive, feedback for you, you need to work on that. Practice, practice, practice. You will start seeing the results for sure. Even for my dance also. So I've been a dancer, in fact. Someone, in one of the competition told, oh, isko kya dance wance aata hai and all that. And I was like, how somebody can say like that? And I was so much in love with, dance. And I literally practiced. तब तक किया जब तक कि मैं स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, इवन डिपार्टमेंट में भी, I was part of every activity which had, that dance thing. So my point here is, doesn't matter who is saying what, but if you feel that, there is something constructive you can create out of it, please practice on that. You will definitely see the results. And mera to, this is my philosophy, in fact. And that's how I have been working. And not just in, school, college and all. In fact, in my corporate world also. So we are from Hisar and we are from Kurukshetra, I have a gang of all the CXOs and CEOs, they have studied from what? Howard and Ivy Leagues and those kind of, colleges. And to be frank, I have been, really very, very attracted towards, that kind of schools and all. And I should be open about it. So they used to laugh at me, kabhi kuch hota tha. So this was a gang, which was working on some project. Kuch hota tha, they used to say, "Arey ye Haryana ki chaat hai, ek baar. Arey dusri baar Haryana ki." I mean, literally, they literally used to talk like this. Third, fourth time, fifth time, I was like, just took a stand, and he was literally the group CEO. I said, "Kamal ki baat hai na. आप सब आईवी लेक और इतने बड़े बड़े स्कूल से हो, फिर भी you need me, a person who is from Haryana, so called. You want me to be part of your group, you need my advices. और जब तक मोदी का ये नहीं पता लगेगा कि वो गुजरात से है, मोदी is not Modi. So guys, be proud of what you are, who you are, कहाँ से पढ़े हो. Brand जो होते हैं वो initial level पे it will help you out. But अगर आप में मेटल है, you can create brand. लोग आपके नाम से आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को जाने, तब तो बात है ना कुछ और. So, this is one experience. I'm just sharing it with you. I'm sure it will be a help to you guys in understanding how the things work outside. Another, thing which I would like to, share with you is another trait which I feel that which has worked really well in my life is the confidence, decision making, and convincing your sponsors. So confidence is something which will, agar aap average ho, I have been, yes, Bishnoi sir very rightly said, and I really appreciate that thing. I've been an above average student only. I was never a topper or, or somebody who was like gold medal mila ho. वो नहीं हूँ मैं, वैसा student मैं कभी थी ही नहीं, in fact. But one thing I was clear, जितना मुझे next step के लिए चाहिए, उतना मुझे चाहिए. उसमें मेरा कोई compromise नहीं है. So 4th position, 5th position, I was okay with that. 15th position I was not okay for. Top के लिए मैंने कभी लड़ाई नहीं करी. I was okay with my 4th position, and there were rest of the things which I was looking for, I was working on simultaneously. So, I should, share this incident with you. In my MBA 4th semester, we were not supposed to, go for, I don't know how the situation now, only in 3rd semester we used to go for trainings and all. So 4th semester में क्या हुआ एक बार, संजीव सर ने बोला कुछ 5 या 7 students को, बुलाया सामने, class में we were 7. and he started explaining a few things about us. और एक चीज उन्होंने बोली, guys, do you know that I am very confident of all these students कि आज भी अगर ये मार्केट में जाएंगे ना, they will easily get 10,000. That was very shocking for me. I mean, to be frank, I mean, he doesn't know that मेरा वहाँ पे क्या reaction था. I was like, मतलब ऐसे ही सोचते हैं. He was so confident about us, in fact, because market bhi वैसा था. As a fresher, 10,000 lena was also not that easy, but my expectations were really high from me. So I just wanted to validate that. I want not just validate, actually, I just wanted to make sure that I am from this place. I've studied from here. I mean, let me see which one is the best place where I go and perform. तो तब हमें दिल्ली लगता था, दिल्ली गुड़गांव जाएंगे और वहां पे काम करेंगे. So what I did, I spoke to Harbhajan sir, I spoke to all my teachers, Bishnoi sir, सबसे मैंने बात करके उनको explain किया that I want to go for 4 months, or I don't know, 3 months I went, and I want to try out, I want to get a job outside. I want to check whether I am able to get a job or no, because इसके बाद मुझे ये experiment करने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा. And I'm really happy that जितने भी मेरे क्लास के टीचर्स थे, प्रोफेसर्स थे, सबको मैंने सेपरेटली, इंडिविजुअली कन्विंस किया, एंड दे ऑल अग्रीड. I'm really thankful to them. Like if you really showcase or mention certain things in a correct way, people do understand, they do support, and that's the kind of support I have definitely got from all the professors. So they agreed to it, in fact, and 3 or 4 months, like, I was not there, and because I was going alone, and I had again this question in my mind that my parents would be asking, how would you stay alone there? Then I always ensured that 1 or 2 students are always there with me. So मैंने मेरी friend के लिए भी बात किया, उसको भी insist किया that what, it's a very good chance, we should take, and all. So 2 of my friends, I insisted, and we all went to Gurgaon, and we did not take much from our parents. We managed somehow. I took 11 interviews. मैं हर बार फेल हुई, रिजेक्ट कर दिया, बोलते आपकी एक्सेंट है, I don't think you'll be able to make it. I was so disheartened. So one of my friends said, नहीं होगा, मैं जाना है वापस. So she came back. Other friend was there. I said, see, यहाँ तक आए हैं, just wait for some more time. We waited, and my friend got it, actually. And I was even more disheartened. I should tell you this, because मुझे लगा, I mean, seriously, I'm not getting it. Then one day, like, I cracked the interview, and then I realized taking interview is an art. You should know how to take it. It's not, yeah, to an extent it is knowledge, yes, but beyond that, I think it's an art. How you present yourself, how you structure the answers. You should answer in such a way that his question should be from your answer only. Then you should know that, instead of he thinking that आपका answer क्या होगा, आपको पता होना चाहिए उसका question क्या होगा. So by then I had learned that, and NIIT Smart Serve में I just started working, and I've been fortunate enough that within like 1.5 months, I was the best performer there. I got maximum of incentives. So confidence level और बढ़ गया था. So I came back. We took our exams and all, and I was very clear that I have to go to Bangalore. Now, how Bangalore came into the picture? I always dreamt big for myself, because I feel that my mother used to say that, I mean, literally, she just talks in her language. Beta sapne dekhne mein bhi kya tota? And I'm like, yeah, she's so right. She's so perfectly right. And that's what I have done, Just dream big. Miracles do happen. Har cheez, whatever I have dreamt of, I have written. And jab tak nahi hua na, maine picha hi nahi choda uska. And childhood mein, my mama ji was here in 90s. Sushmita Sen ka kuch to yahan pe, she was Miss Universe. Something was happening here, and I heard from him कि वहां पे Miss Universe का कुछ competition हो रहा है. And that's how I got to know about Bangalore. That was the time when it had got registered in my mind that there is one place called Bangalore. वो इतना बड़ा है जहाँ पे Miss Universe का contest होता है. So because I'm meant for bigger things, so I need to go to Bangalore. So that's how I chosen Bangalore, if someone asked me. So, so I finished my MBA, and before that only, like through one of my friend, like I got connected with a friend. I said, I want to come to Bangalore. He said, why do you want to come? I said, I want to do job there. So I had no job, nothing was there. And plus my father was not ready to send me. He was like, if you want to go to Delhi, but Bangalore, you cannot go. So मैंने बहुत समझाया उनको, वो नहीं समझे. So I tried to convince him. So my point is, you need to convince people, and you need to ensure that you have your sponsors with you. You don't have to go against people all the time. That is also not the right approach. This is my, learning in my entire life, though I have done that enough. But now I would say that, please convince them. So I managed it. I told my dad that, okay, I'm just going to Delhi to my friend's place, and we have some interviews. Then I went there. I convinced her mom. I said कि देखिए इसका career बनेगा, मेरे साथ भेजो, मेरी guarantee है, we will get a job there. And we came to Bangalore. एक friend के यहाँ पे we got placed. हमने बहुत interviews दिए, हमारा कहीं मतलब clear ही नहीं हुआ. I always wanted to get into sales because मैंने कहीं सुना था कि if you have to become CEO, I mean पढ़ा था, सुना था, बस वही registered था, that you should know how to become a nice, salesperson. So I was very clear, sales ही बनना है. So जिस interview में जाते थे, they were like, नहीं, तुम्हारा language का issue है, English नहीं, वैसा नहीं है. It was very disheartening, कि क्या करेंगे. In fact, कुछ जगह में मैंने ऐसे झूठ बोल के भी, I tried to, get a job, and I got it. But then I felt, नहीं, I don't have to do this. I went back and said, hey, मेरा ओरिजिनल ये, अगर ये देख के आपको लगता है मुझे जॉब दे सकते हो तो दे दो, अदरवाइज दैट वाज अ रॉन्ग प्रोफाइल. सो उसने कभी दिया ही नहीं मुझे जॉब. आई अगेन केम बैक. सो आई केम टू बैंगलोर, एंड आफ्टर 1.5 months I got a job, and I got a job like in HR. I mean, everyone has his own, favorite subject or area where they want to get into. I wanted to get into sales and business from the day one. But somehow I could not able to manage it. But मुझे survival तो चाहिए था. So I took that job. But still simultaneously I was just searching for my, this dream. Then finally I got an opportunity with a startup. Okay, so I met the investor and he said, I want to set up a company. And that was something I was looking for. So that was my first company, which I established in India. And I had just 3 years of experience, and I got lots and lots of work, lots of responsibilities. I used to work 24/7, but I learned a lot there. बहुत learn किया. And that point in time, within just 3 years, I mean, I'm not boasting. I'm just trying to tell you a few things which has happened and which are doable, which are possible. It's not miracle like what we think. Because that's how I used to also think, like when I was in college, कि कैसे होगा, क्या करेंगे. Within 3 years, I was like getting 10 lakhs of salary. But I was not happy with that, because it's because for me, it's not about the money. I was looking for, again, the sales kind of a thing. Us dauran, like I got married, and then I never wanted to. But then I realized that if I'll be only in these small things and keep in, discussions and all, so mera focus nahi rahega. So yeah, I got married, and then we shifted to Belgium. We were there for 5 years, and those were the years which were very, very difficult for me in a way. I decided to, have 2 kids there, because that is also like very important part of life. That's what like I have learned during that time, in fact, that commitment and not quitting attitude can create wonders for you. So So I had only one, condition to my husband. So his family, I mean, we're very nice people. So his family used to think that I'm very modern, pata nahi kaise hoga and all that. So I called him up one day. I said, sit, let's just talk. I said, you tell me, what are your expectations from me? Kya kya chahiye? So he said, 2 kids. Literally, I made a list. I said, are you sure? So he's like, yeah. I said, see, I'll do everything. No problem. But I have to come back to myself. Otherwise, oxygen nahi milega mujhe. And I'm meant for that. And believe me, he understood it. And he's so supportive today. I'm really, really thankful to him. Yeah, then we had 2 kids there. And as a freelancer, I was working with companies there. But fir bhi, it was not full time. And I faced, a lot of anxiety. It's a different kind of, I mean, though with kids I enjoyed, but one portion of me was like, it has been very, very ambitious in terms of, working and doing something, some vision, which was missing there. I was like, started getting the depression. And that was the time, like, I was not in touch with anyone. I didn't feel like to, be, in fact, with anybody, from the university and all. So, but there also I connected, I created my network, I took freelancer job. And, but that time also, made me realize, certain things. And I learned a lot of things, like a lot of patience I got it, when I got my kids, as I told, not quitting attitude. Because बच्चों को तो आप like बेल्जियम में क्या होता है ना, कि आपका कोई सामान है, कुछ काम का नहीं है, you go and keep it outside, people will come and take it. So 100 of times I would have thought कि यार इन बच्चों का क्या करूं, मैं इनको उठा के बाहर रख दूं. So because they were my kids, so they made me realize, that life is not about quitting. It's about the commitment. It's not about getting the right things all the time. It's about making it right. And if somebody is able to do it, he does miracles. So that is my, biggest learning in my life. And that is what my family, my kids, they gave to me, and which I have actually implemented in my corporate journey also. And it has helped me a lot. So from, there I came back. From Belgium, I came back to, Bangalore. So here I want to highlight the importance of perseverance. I so much wanted to, come back to my work. And because in Belgium, I had worked with, one of the president of LG. So he wanted me to join LG, but it was a small sister concern of LG. And they were a little reluctant to take me, thinking that, because she's very close to them and a lot of politics and all. So I was again coming and joining after 5 years. And 5 years back, my salary was 10 lakhs. And earlier my confidence, like I was overconfident. And I used to think, "Arey, job ka kya hai? Kabhi bhi milega" types. But when I came back, I mean, you will be a fresher, you feel that how will I perform and all and all. You're still a fresher, fresh. You're fresh. You have that fresh mind, analytical mind. But when I came back, my situation was different. I used to literally, मैं तुतलाने लगी थी, because ambition इतना ज़्यादा है, and वो gap दिखता था. Even if I used to work, वो focus नहीं हो पाता था. So I spoke to my brother. I said, यार ऐसे ऐसे करके है. So I don't know how will I do it. He said, don't worry, 5 lakh का job तुझे कभी भी मिलेगा. I was like, shit, seriously? I was so disheartened, But that was the reality. And that was the realization that आप सब कुछ नहीं हो, You have to be continuously working on the same thing if you really want to, achieve something. Anyways, I just came back. At the time of joining, like when they started, playing politics. So they asked me how much you want. I said 10 lakhs per annum, of course. So I thought, okay, I can join, on the same package. He said he didn't want me to join because he was the head of the company. He said, no, we can't pay this much. He said, we can pay only 5 lakhs. So my focus was not salary, actually. My focus was work then and learning. I said, okay, no problem. He said, we have a night shift. I said, no problem. Okay. Then he said, we don't give cabs. We give cabs in daytime, not in nighttime. I said, no worries at all. I said, sir, I have to join this job. And that's all. That's the only option you have and I have. I have to work. So I joined there, but somehow I did not get that much of support there. You know, when in India, I joined them. But later, like in the journey, when we started knowing each other, one day that guy came to me. He's an IITian actually. And he said, sorry to me. I said, what happened? He's like, actually, I have created something very, nonsense for you. I said, what happened? He's like, I thought like, you are going to ruin our business here. And I never wanted you to be part of this. But now I'm realizing that you're totally a different person and you're meant for something else. So I'm really sorry, but whatever I've done, मैं कर चुका हूं अभी मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. I'm like, okay. So they were literally throwing me out of the company. And so he asked me, this is my karma, it will come back to me. अब बताओ मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. I said, no worries, जो आपने कर दिया, अब मुझे पढ़ा दीजिए. I need to learn a few skills, which because you are an IITian, बहुत पढ़े लिखे हो, तो मुझे ये finance की 4 चीजें पढ़ा दीजिए. Believe me, 14 days, regularly 3 hours, he did that for me. He's a very good friend now. He did that for me. And I'm very clear that I have to get into a company where I can create my network and I can, connect with the topmost guys. And that's how I went in services and staffing business. And that's how I went into a company called Magna, which is part of Quest Group, which is quite a big group right now. But they're also like, because I wanted the job, they asked me like, how much is because my previous salary was so low. It was like literally 4.75. And so they asked like, how much do you want? I said, how much ever you give. They're like, are you sure? I said, yeah. They're like, then we will give the same only. I said, no problem. So I took that job because I wanted it. 2 years, to be precise, 18 months, I just worked. I did not know anything. In and out, day, night, I just worked. I got 5 promotions there within 18 months. That's why I'm saying that perseverance works. Miracles do happen if you believe in them and if you work towards them. So those 5 promotions happened, and then I regained my, confidence. In fact, in the initial days, I used to take my husband's mobile. वो जो बात करते थे ना मीटिंग में, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था. When I had started my career again, and I'm just telling this, and my husband was like, "What are you saying that you're not able to understand?" But that was a challenge for me. मैं रिकॉर्ड करके मीटिंग को 4 बार सुनती थी. But when I regained it, then again I thought that I need to go back to my journey, and my journey is the startup world. My journey is to start the company. So that was the time when I wanted to, work in some startup and learn on somebody else's money. That's the best thing. Believe me, people do look for branded companies. People look for TCS, Wipro, Microsoft. Yes, there are different advantages, but when you work in a startup, you learn like how to make from 0 to 100. You do 10,000 things together. You juggle, you struggle, but you learn. And every second when you struggle, you learn, you try to find out the solution. So that's what, I just went to this new startup. I spoke to them. It was a technology company that is into semiconductor device services. Semiconductor device services in the sense the chips which you have in your mobiles and all, they used to provide the services for that. So that guy told me, okay, you come and join us. I said, 25 lakh chahiye. He said, are you serious about it? I said, yes. He's like, nahi, utna nahi hota hai. I said, okay, then. He's like, we'll give 50%. I said, okay, one condition. Give me 50% right now. And after 6 months, you see my work. If you feel I worth it, just give to me. He said, done. So usne mujhe tab 15 he offered. And of course, there was some variable pay also, which was pretty good. After 6 months, like I got 2 promotions there, 6 months and 8 months. We built that company from zero. We got 150, engineers. It became $2.5 million company then. And then I understood the trick of the entire business there. And then I thought, like, if I'm working for other people, now I understand this business. And it is the right time for me to start my own venture, because from the beginning, I wanted to start my own business. So I spoke to one of the co-founder there, and I proposed him that I am starting a company. I can create better business for you. So you suggest. He said, okay, done. He said, one of the investors is talking to me. Would you like to talk to him? I said, done. I spoke to him. We raised funds on paper. And then after that, we started the company. And there were a lot of challenges. See, it's all about decision making. You may go wrong 110%, but you need to own the risk. I mean, you need to calculate it, of course, to an extent, but beyond a point, you can't calculate also. So this is one very big learning of my life is lot of people, I mean, nothing against anyone. We always look for security and safety. जब तक आपके पास कुछ है ना, आप डर के रहेंगे. आपको लगेगा कि मुझे इसको सेफ रखना है, सिक्योर रखना है. The moment you break your bridges, you are not left with any other option. You have to just run. And that's what I have done. I have taken risks, literally. मैंने अपने लिए कुछ ऑप्शन ही नहीं छोड़ा, कहीं भी नहीं छोड़ा. मेरे पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन था हमेशा, परफॉर्म. एंड उसमें बहुत रॉन्ग डिसीजंस भी हुए हैं, उसमें बहुत फेलियर्स भी हुए हैं. आई वुड नॉट से कि नहीं हुए हैं, बट बहुत ब्रिलियंट रिजल्ट्स भी मुझे मिले हैं. एंड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. I mean, everything, whatever is happening, literally, I don't know, miracle hai, kya hai. I just write on board, literally. Numbers I write. I mean, there was a time like my husband used to laugh at me. मेरा salary 5 लाख था, मैं 2 बजे तक काम करती थी. And मेरा जो number मैंने उधर लिखा था 45 lakhs in the next 2 years. He's like, तुझे क्या company का CEO बनना है? तू आराम से सो जा. He was also right, because that's how people think. And now he says that everything is possible. Sab kuch possible hai. I have seen it. So guys, my only request to you is, please dream big, push yourself, take risks, and take feedback, and do not be afraid of criticism. लोग criticize करेंगे, लोग बोलेंगे आप दिखने में अच्छे नहीं हो, आप चलने में अच्छे नहीं हो, आपको बात करना नहीं आता है. And that can be true also, but that's their perspective. We see what we can see. We can't see what we are not. So please believe in yourself. Please ensure that you are focused. Focus is the only key in life, which can make or break. There's so many such, stories I have literally of my adventurous life, which I would love to share with you all. Maybe after this COVID and all, we all should, plan to meet up. We should share, more and more things. I would like to share, in fact, more, things with you all. So please be focused, have perseverance. You should have the commitment towards life, your goals, everything, whatever you're doing. No quitting attitude is very, very, very important. जब आप quit करते हो ना, उससे अगला step is the success. And success is, people generally say that when you'll reach there, then you'll be successful. I mean, people say that you're successful. Believe me, I feel I am too small, to say all those things, because success is a process. it happens every day. It's not the destination. Success can be this much and this much. Success has no measurement. Success is whatever you feel, whatever you want to do in life, you are able to do that. That is successfulness. I mean, you create a goal and you just work towards that. So right now I have a vision. Still there are a lot of things which I am learning, to be frank. I still don't know a lot of things. There are a lot of feedbacks and criticism I still get from the corporate world. And I choose, my battle. And I work on that, I practice that. And अभी तक तो results मिले हैं. Struggle बहुत लंबा है और struggle हमेशा ही होगा. So when your mother would have conceived, तब भी आप struggle करके ही conceive हुए हो. ये मान लो, ये nature का नियम है. उसके बगैर nothing is possible. So work on yourself. Now I would come back to my biggest vision, which I'm creating. That is Ultrado X. So today I'm in a position to, work on my biggest vision, as I mentioned. I have a purpose in life. I can be 100% fail. There is a 100% possibility of that also. But I'm all set to take, risk, because I feel there is one life. मुझे फिर से दोबारा चांस ना तो कोई देगा और ना ही मिलेगा. और मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें छोड़ के, I mean, it's not about what you have chosen, I feel. It's about what you have left behind. So अगर मैं मेरे बच्चों का personal time छोड़ के, if I'm focusing on something, एक इतने brilliant career को छोड़ के, I mean, I was doing so good. मेरा journey from, I mean, it's not about money though, but still money is also important. Like from मेरा जो दूसरी पारी शुरू हुई, I mean, it started in 2014 and today it is 2021 और एक साल से मेरा startup है. So अगर आप देखोगे 5 लाख से 1 करोड़ का story, I mean, when I'm talking to you, I am realizing it. Otherwise, I am a player who is literally playing football और जिसको सिर्फ इस चीज से मतलब है कि गोल कब होगा. I don't even realize, I don't know what is happening. But like outside people, like my sister, people who are closer to me, they tell me, you're doing something good. Like आज बिश्नोई sir ने मुझे बोला, and it reminded me of so many things, and I'm like, oh yeah, ये सच है बिल्कुल, And while I'm talking to you, I'm literally realizing that the story from 5 lakhs to 1 crore, is doable. And within how many years? 14 to what? 19, 20 tak laga lo aap. No, 19, December 2019 tak. It is very much possible, guys. And I am very much from your institute, and I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of whatever I have learned from all these professors and the kind of things or philosophies have got embedded in me because of them. It is fantastic. I'm hoping that after 6 to 8 months, I mean, it's not a, of course, easy job. I will be able to raise funds. And we are starting a company in the US shortly. I've got a JV with one of the company, US-based company, and another JV I'm doing with a European-based company. फिर भी risk है, और but I don't care. Fail होंगे, फिर से start करेंगे, no problem. But I will build it for sure. I think that's all from my side. जितना छोटा करके बोल सकती थी, मैंने try किया है. But believe me, there are lots and lots of stories which I would like to share with all the students. One more thing I would say that लोग तब तक आपकी help नहीं करेंगे जब तक आप खुद की नहीं करेंगे. You have to ensure that you should know what you deserve. अगर आपको खुद को नहीं पता है कि
Meenakshi, Hello. Just a few things. Now, like, what message or like say, what will tell to the current batch of students, like what skills or how should they prepare themselves for the world they are going to face tomorrow? उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए अभी? Like, okay, they are in say 1 year to go to their degree, and some are in final year. They are yet to begin their corporate journey or their entrepreneurial journey or their whatever journey. So how should they? What should they or they prepare themselves?
So
कैसे तैयार करें?
one big advice would be from my side: do not run behind money. Don't think about the packages. Don't think कि अगर अरे उसको इतने लाख का पैकेज मिला मुझे नहीं मिला. Don't worry about that. कोई फ्री में भी लेकिन काम देना जाके ले लो. That is very important.
Skills and skills.
Yeah, skills wise, if I tell you that communication is very important, that's the basic thing. If we are not able to articulate what we want to say, I mean, we are not able to, tell what exactly who we are. So that is like the first thing I would say. And be honest, whatever you're talking. Other things are, again, it depends on your interest. It depends on your, like, which areas you want to go. It totally depends on that. That would I say.
And how should they overcome the personal hurdles? They like every guy and every girl out there face a lot of hiccups, a lot of issues, a lot of hurdles. How to tackle them? Since you have overcome many yourself.
Sir, मेरा एक suggestion रहेगा. You may find it little weird, but hurdles are in our mind, and we see that externally people are creating. But as far as you're clear about them, that about you, that you have to do certain things, put it across to people that you have to do it. Work towards that. For example, I was telling you that my father was very clear that I need to do engineering. I attended, tuitions for 3-4 months. I genuinely did it, but I went and told them very honestly. My father never wanted me to come to Bangalore. I mean, literally, I mean, he would have disowned me. मतलब, I mean, it was very, very difficult. But आप अगर उन्हीं चीजों को सोच के सोचोगे कि इतना बड़ा difficult, कुछ problem नहीं है. I believe me. Just focus on. But if you are genuine enough, work towards those things. People will see it. आपका passion आज नहीं तो कल दिखता है. वो रुक सकता ही नहीं है. Hurdles उनके लिए होती है जिनके लिए excuses बन जाता है. That's how I feel. I completely, you won't believe my father when I just started a company. I mean, I think all the fathers are like that. I said, Daddy, मैंने company start कर दिया है. He's like, अच्छा बेटा, job इतना अच्छा चल रहा था, तो क्यों नहीं? I'm like, हाँ जी, ठीक है. मैंने बोल दिया. Next time मैंने कहा, Daddy, हमने ना US में company start करी है. He's like, अच्छा बेटा, ठीक है. लेकिन फिर भी job ठीक मतलब पैसे वैसे आ रहे हैं ना? So, third time, fourth time, then I realized, यार मतलब आप उनका perspective नहीं change कर सकते हो. उनका brought up है ये. उनको बेचारों को उतना ही पता है, उतना ही exposure है, तो आप क्या expect कर रहे हो उनसे? तो उनको खुश रखो, अपने वो आपके sponsors हैं, definitely. But you should be very clear on your vision and your honest efforts towards what you want to do. बाकी, I feel are excuses. जिसको करना वो कुछ भी करके करेगा. Sorry, I mean, a lot of people find it very weird, but मैंने बहुत टाइम इसमें गवाया है, इसलिए I can tell that I have wasted a lot of time in this. मुझे लगता था इसको कन्विंस करूं, किसी को कन्विंस नहीं करना है. Just keep focusing on your work, your things. People will automatically understand. Today, my family, my in-laws, my husband, my kids, they all understand. They have created space for me. I mean, I travel like internationally. US जाती हूँ, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. पहले होता था मैं 6 बजे के बाद अगर मैं ऑफिस से आ रही हूँ, अरे लेट हो गए, कहाँ ये वो. I used to take a lot of stress, but not required. You're working. किससे घबराना है? So that is like one message I would like to give to all the girls and guys. If you're honest and you're genuinely putting efforts, so please. And another thing is surround yourself with right people. You should know that. people who are adding value to your life. Professionally, personally, they should add some value to your life.
Anyways, that's good, Meenakshi. So Pramod, we can take questions from the students now.
Yes, sir. So if any student has any query, he or she is most welcome.
While they are coming up with the question, I would also like to say that I think मैंने mention भी किया था. I would like to have a few interns from our department if they are interested. So maybe Pramod, maybe you and I, we can talk and we can discuss. I can give you, a few requirements.
Okay.
And if somebody is interested, then we can, talk about that.
Sure.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes,
Hello,
Sudhir.
sir.
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
Okay. And thank you so much, ma'am. You have taught us a lot. First of all, I would like to thankful to director sir and all professor and doctor sir.
अरे बेटा क्वेश्चन पूछना सीधा काजल.
Sunil,
Anyway,
Sunil,
Kajal,
Sunil.
you can write your question and send it across.
Yeah.
Maybe your voice is not audible, so that will be a nice idea. In meantime, Pramod, we can go to the next student, please.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yeah, Kajal.
Kajal, go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you so much. First of all, it means a lot. You give a big lesson. And I really want to know from your side that how to manage your time between your family and your career.
Oh,
Yeah.
क्या पूछ लिया आपने?
That is very important to, understand that how you can manage your time with your company and your, family as well.
देखो, आई थिंक आप कहीं से भी अगर आंसर लोगे तो शायद आपको एक अच्छा सा आंसर मिलेगा. मुझसे बहुत रियल
Yeah.
में. Yes, I struggle a lot, and but एक और चीज है. If you really have to do something much bigger, you have to sacrifice a lot. Hard work का कोई और synonym है ही नहीं. And you have to just work. 2 बजे, 3 बजे, 4 बजे, जितना काम कर सकते हो आपको करना है. If you really have that kind of a vision, आपका family definitely suffer होता है. And I try to, spend time with my family. Saturdays I've kept, but हाँ उनका शिकायत रहता है. I try to create some schedules and all. A lot of times, like in my kids' parents' meeting, I'm not able to go. But one thing I think my kids are learning that it's a dream which I'm working on, and they're very supportive. Initially, they used to feel that all the mothers are with them, and you're the only mother. Why do you work so much? तो एक बार तो ऐसा incident हुआ कि I was just like all the times I'm on my laptop. And my kid was asking why you are on laptop all the time. And that was like my first venture officially in Silico, which has been partially acquired by HCL Technologies. So I was, talking to them. I said, this is the way like you're my kid. This company is also my kid. So that's why I need to ensure that I take care of, the company also. So when we were selling that company, my kid again came back. How come you're selling your kid? And I'm like,
That's interesting. That's
and I was like, acha, ab iska answer kya dungi main? So I said, then I just changed my philosophy and I said, कि नहीं बेटा, मेरा dream is my kid. So doesn't matter मैं क्या, whatever I sell, whatever I buy. So this dream is going to be with me. So yes, I should accept it. Time is definitely a challenge. I try to manage whatever, like I outsource whatever I can, and whatever time I can spend with them I do, but not like जितना शायद होना चाहिए एक normal life में उतना नहीं है, and I accept it. वो challenge है. So it depends. You need to choose that.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
yes.
more guys. Other
Please.
questions, please. Yeah, Kajal. Now let others ask. Other guys, the guys from MBA first year and all that. बहुत सारे बच्चों के माइंड में बहुत सारे questions होंगे. So please feel free to ask, and you won't get such chances time and again. And it's only for basically the fresh students that we are putting up these sessions. So please feel free to ask questions. Hindi, English, Haryanvi, Punjabi, कैसे भी पूछो यार, पर पूछो.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask some. Okay.
Pragati, yes, please.
Okay, ma'am, do you believe in this that work is a part of your life, not your life?
Sorry, do I believe in what?
Work is a part of your life and not your life.
See, depends on everybody's philosophy. Yes, it is part of your life, not the life, for sure. It's like this, like वो एक game होता है ना, bottle को ऐसे घुमाते हैं. I don't know what you call that these days. I don't know what there is some. I'm
Truth
sorry.
and dare.
हाँ, truth and
Truth
dare.
and dare.
Ah, so my kids asked this question to me that what do you love the most, your dream or your kids? so of course I said my kids. So family से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, और अगर family के साथ में if you are doing you're working on your dream, that's the wonderful combination.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's a nice answer. So yeah, more guys.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello.
Manish Mehra this side.
Hi Manish.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, may I ask you some question about your UltraDocs products?
Yes. So Ultrado X, we have, so it's a B2B platform. Basically, we deal in B2B, and we basically, sell the bulk essential oils. I mean, essential oils in bulk and carrier oils. And then there are certain kind of chemicals which are being used in, these pharmaceutical cosmetics, these kind of products. So anything and everything, which you are, you can smell, whether आप कुछ खा रहे हैं, कुछ apply कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर, हर चीज में essential oil है. So when I was actually working on, that a very different idea, and how it came to me was basically, I was brushing my teeth. So that was the time I was just thinking, क्या करना चाहिए और ऐसा क्या, मतलब इतना बड़ा vision होना चाहिए. I was brushing my teeth, and then वो जो toothpaste का जो smell आता है ना, I am like, ये क्या है exactly? I started researching about it. Just research करके I realized that, so there are like essential oils, and उसका काफी बड़ा business है. So that's how I, started working in that. So these are the kind of, products are there.
I hope, ma'am, you heard about Garnier essential oils. This name is UltraDocs. And so what's the difference between UltraDocs and UltraDocs?
No, that is so Ultrado, मेरे को भी किसी ने बोला था. I mean, UltraDoux, UltraDou, they call it UltraDou, DOU. So that's just a brand name of that company. They are not into essential oils, they are into shampoos. So ours is essential oils. Ours is a B2B platform, that is like B2C. So B2B is basically when you are selling in bulk from, business to business, not directly to the customers. Yeah.
And ma'am, what kind of strategy you are used to set up your product in the market?
So this online platform itself is a strategy. So we are aggregating these manufacturers. These are mid-size and small size manufacturers. They do not get the visibility in the market. They don't know how to sell. They do not have the sales skills, which this I've learned, from my previous organizations actually. Sub engineers थे, लेकिन जो business का acumen नहीं था, मतलब, if you have both the acumen and both the things, then you are, you can do extremely well. So जैसे मुझे engineering ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आता, business समझ में आता, I can sell, literally. So ऐसे ही then I realized that कि क्या है, what is missing. So these manufacturers are there in the market, they are in need. and they are scared of selling their products to international market. Even उनके state से बाहर भी नहीं आते हैं. So I am creating a platform for them so that I can free of cost I can onboard them. तो उनका कुछ नहीं जा रहा है. So बीच में जो traders है ना, उनका जो भी वो margins and all they are creating, that margin will come here actually. And right now there is no platform, there is no market where you can compare these ingredients. Analytics nahi hai kahin pe. So that is something I'm just working on.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Anji, hello. Hi, Mukul.
Yes, ma'am, if we join a company which is of our choice, but we are not get attention and not get promoted after so many of years, that what you say that I have got a package initially at 5 lakh and then gradually to 10 lakh, then what we do to increase that that we get initial promotion and everything? That hard work is matter, but sometimes there are a lot of politics and many more things in the organization.
See, politics is part and parcel of your life, so you can't eradicate it. Okay, but what you can do, you can focus on yourself and your skills. जब आप ही इतने brilliant हो गए, आपका productivity अगर brilliant है, so people have no other option. देखिए, it's not just you who are in need of job. Even the companies are also in need of right people. So अगर आप extraordinary हो, I mean, कोई कमी नहीं है आपके पास काम की. Got it? So instead of thinking politics and all, don't, that is like, don't disguise yourself. It is the part and parcel, it will keep happening. It depends on you whether you want to focus on that or you want to focus on your work. Focus on your work, do well. Private world में तो, I mean, अच्छे लोगों की हर जगह जरूरत है. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. This is Shubham Dwivedi.
Hi, Shubham. How
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
doing?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you. And ma'am, I wanted to ask.
Hello.
I wanted to ask a question.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Ma'am, I think that guy has something wanted to ask.
Please continue, Shubham. Ask your question.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, ma'am, I was asking about the internship, whether you are providing it online or offline, because offline internship, I think they have started because the unlock process has also started. So I wanted to know about that.
See, initially the kind of work I'm looking for is online, and eventually it can be offline also because it might require traveling as well. But initially this is online.
Okay, ma'am. We are really interested to do that internship with you because we are searching for that.
Fantastic, Shubham. We can talk about it.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Anyway, there's a guy like our former student. I'm feeling good that he's also like joined this session, and is also a budding entrepreneur and a kind of an passionate mad guy. So he's also willing to ask a question. So,
Okay.
Pradeep, you can ask your question now. Yeah, Pradeep. I think there's some
Network issues are there.
Hi, Pradeep.
Yes.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am, and making efforts within my capabilities. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन मैम पर्सनली है, वो तो मैं बाद में इंटरेक्ट कर लूंगा, लेकिन जो सबसे बड़ी जो एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी है जो आपने स्टार्ट किया, मैंने स्टार्ट की, तो हमने काफी लंबा टाइम फील्ड में बिताने के बाद की है. मतलब 2-4-5 साल हम इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं, काफी हर्डल्स होते हैं, और वो जो एक अंदर का पैशन है, उसी जो इनर ड्राइव है, उसी से हम स्टार्ट कर पाए हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
हर्डल्स को मीट आउट कर रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर उस एम्बियंस की बात करें इन बच्चों के लिए, तो इनको कुछ नहीं पता कि लाइसेंसिंग कहाँ से होगी, उसके बाद हायरिंग कहाँ से होगी. छोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए ना लोग आते हैं इंटरेस्टेड, अगर आप उनको ट्रेन करते हैं तो फिर वो रिटेचमेंट शुरू हो जाती है. तो इस तरह के इनके पैशन फिर घर वालों की बातें तो खुद में क्लियर होने के बाद आती हैं, लेकिन ये उसी में क्लियर नहीं हो पाते हैं, जॉब के लिए भी नहीं हो पाते हैं। मैंने ऑनेस्टली इनके लिए कोशिश की है कि टीचर्स भी जानते हैं कि
क्वेश्चन अपना। We lost him.
I think there are some network issues. So any other student want to ask question?
वैसे मैंने कई बार संजीव सर से, बिश्नोई सर से बात करके इंटरव्यू अरेंज करवाए हैं। तो इनका क्या सॉल्यूशन है, इनके लिए वो चीज बताएं ताकि ये उस चीज के लिए अभी से एफर्ट्स करें, अपने ग्रुप बना के उन चीजों के बारे में सोचें, केस स्टडी करें, डिफरेंट कंपनीज के बारे में, स्टार्टअप के बारे में, अपने इंटरेस्ट को देख पाए, अपनी झील को देख पाए, उसके बारे में इनको प्लीज थोड़ा सा बताएंगे तो मुझे भी आंसर मिलेगा और इनको भी,
और मुझे भी।
Actually, it's a brilliant question.
मैंने बिजनेस शुरू करना है रिटायरमेंट के बाद।
तो सर मेरे बोर्ड पे आते हैं
डॉक्टर पाल, डॉक्टर करमपाल, आप बिजनेस शुरू नहीं कर पाओगे। Anyway, let the students have the answer. मीनाक्षी, go ahead.
मैं जरूर करूंगा सर।
ठीक है, I'll become a partner. Yes, मीनाक्षी, please.
तो हाँ जी, क्या एक्टिविटी करनी चाहिए उसके लिए? तो आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट दे शुड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट स्मॉल कंपनीज एंड ऑफर them that they want to work with them instead of thinking of money or anything, because the job training, देखो एक है training और एक है on the job training. When you learn a lot of things in the real scenario, that's totally different. So I would suggest that even in Hisar, even in all the small places like our places and all, बहुत entrepreneurs हैं, बहुत सारी छोटी-छोटी companies हैं. You can go and ensure that you get some space there, start there. You will actually get to know कि deal कैसे करते हैं, बात कैसे, बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीजें हैं, but you will actually learn. That's like one initiative you need to take that I feel would definitely work, and मेरे लिए work हुआ है. So it's not the money all the time. It's about making yourself skillful, timely. So that is important, I would say.
मैम थोड़ा पानी पी लो आप।
No, that's fine.
Yeah, more questions. I think they
Yes.
couldn't, both of them, they couldn't connect well. And Pradeep was on at some other thing. He had some other question in mind. She answered something different. Anyway, leave it and
No, I want to
another guy.
understand. Did I understand the question right? What exactly the question?
No, I mean, he simply meant it while being an MBA, while pursuing their degree, things have changed a lot since you did your degree, and the students that we are having right now. The students that we are having right now, they have almost no focus, no, majority of them, no clarity as what to do, what sort of skill, what sort of small things that they should do. So this is what he meant, how the current batch of students, they should prepare themselves, how they can inculcate that communication skill, that presentation skill, what kind of company they should look for, what kind of job they should look for, what kind of skill they should work for. This is what he meant.
You see,
अभी के जो बच्चे हैं उनको क्या करना चाहिए, अभी जो फाइनल ईयर में हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, that was the question.
So sir, मैं आपको, and guys, everyone, I should tell you this. मुझे भी नहीं पता था मुझे क्या करना है. मुझे ये था कि मुझे कुछ करना है. मुझे भी कुछ आइडिया नहीं था क्या करना है. It's just that because I wanted to do something, कहीं ना कहीं रास्ते निकलते चले गए. I have taken chances. So if you ask me, पहले दिन से मुझे पता था कि यही कुछ करना है, सेमीकंडक्टर में जाना है. No, I didn't had any clue about it. But what I would suggest, first of all, you need to do your analysis, what you are good at. For example, for example, I wanted to get into sales. There was some drive. Why I want to go to sales. And then I started, working towards that. So you need to see what kind of a personality you are, what kind of things you really like. आप अपने टीचर्स से या फिर 360 डिग्री का आप फीडबैक लो अपना, on everything. you will actually get to know and surprised with, you know, so many feedbacks. So you try to understand who you are, what you exactly are, and then try to map it with, you know, the different careers. For example, I can give you like one example, like one of my known person, he is so good at, you know, talking and, you know, relationship building and all that. So we only told him like, you know, you should get into, you know, service industry, because आप relationship building में इतने अच्छे हो, you know, you will do good. So likewise, you need to start interacting with people already like who are working. Second is, of course, with the professors also, like you need to start talking on these things also, like what is their feedback about you in different areas, whether it is communication, whether how you interact with them, or academically, like how good you are. So multiple things you can see. And of course, you need to see your interest area also. On a basis that you can figure out like where exactly you need to focus on. Because everybody would have their own different aspirations.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
How will we get the license to start any kind of startup? Like, what's the
license for
procedure
what?
of that? License to start any kind of startup, like a new startup. I mean, if I have some idea for a startup, then what are the procedure to start it?
It's a very different question actually. आप decide कर लो आपको करना क्या है, and then start working towards it. You will automatically start getting. If you ask me whether you want to start export, for example, I didn't had any exposure in export. So मुझे जब export start करना था, I was very clear in my mind that मुझे export करना है. किस चीज का export करना है? Then I figured out, okay, essential oil का करना है. अच्छा, essential oil का करना है कि essential oil में भी क्या categories हैं? Now, to do export, what are all the things and skills I need to have? So पहले तो मुझे export का procedure पता होना चाहिए. So I had nobody, neither in my family, nor in my friend circle, कोई नहीं है, सब IT के सब लोग हैं. तो मैंने एक जाके कोर्स ज्वाइन किया जहां पे मुझे एटलीस्ट टर्मिनोलॉजीज पता लगी. Got it? I was actually wanted to work under, मैंने वो भी ट्राई किया बाय द वे, कि एक एक्सपोर्ट कंपनी में जाके एक छोटा सा एम्प्लॉय बन के मैं बैठ जाऊं, बट मुझे जॉब नहीं दी लोगों ने, बोले कि आप ओवर क्वालिफाइड हो. मैंने बताया नहीं कि कितना एक्सपीरियंस है, वो भी वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ. सो आई मीन वंस यू नो दैट, ओके, whatever you want to start, then you start reading about it, and then you start interacting with people, try to find out people who are already, you know, working in those areas, and then you'll get to know कि पूरा प्रोसीजर क्या है, कौन सा उसमें सर्टिफिकेट लगेगा, क्या लाइसेंसेस हैं, or what certifications are required. So every business is different. So until unless you have the idea like what it is, I mean, it's very difficult to answer.
मनीष, एक ही चीज लगती है, घर से निकलना पड़ता है. Rest things will start happening by itself. Next question, please.
Yes. Right.
Guys, ask question.
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछते मीनाक्षी, इशू ये है. तुम लोग भी कम पूछते. नहीं, not repeat the question but the same. New questions please, new guys.
Okay, so I think Pradeep.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
Simran Bhatt this side.
Hi, Simran.
Ma'am, first of all, your story, your journey is really inspiring. And ma'am, I see myself in you because I also want to start any business. And you talked about internship, and I think आपके guidance में काम करना वो direction देगा, वो proper direction, वो path पता चलेगा कि कहाँ हम कैसे start कर सकते हैं. तो मैम ये काफी useful होगा हमारे लिए और helpful भी.
Certainly, that's the idea, in fact, because I feel that if I would have got this kind of, you know, opportunity 16-17 years back, अभी तक मेरा जिस fast pace में मैं business करना चाह रही हूँ, I mean, it would have already got done, you know. the vision which I am looking at. So I think आप लोगों के पास अगर I mean, you should connect with all the, all the students, all the alumni, group, and start connecting with them and figure out, like, I would suggest, अगर मैं आपकी जगह होती और इतनी फैसिलिटी मुझे मिलती और मुझे पता होता, एक्चुअली मुझे पता भी नहीं था, तो figure it out, start talking to people, talk and tell about your interest, try to understand people, mentors बना लो आप लाइफ में. You never know कौन कहाँ पे कैसे आपको कैसे हेल्प होगा. You should do it immediately.
नहीं, आपको तो मीनाक्षी इसलिए नहीं पता चला ना क्योंकि उस समय हमारे पास मीनाक्षी नहीं थी ना.
सर अब तो है.
अब तो है. अब इनको फायदा उठाना चाहिए.
करना चाहिए लेवरेज. और मीनाक्षी
now we have you.
बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स who are doing so good. I mean, I just had, like we all met, मेरे बैच के, they all are doing so good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sanjeev sir.
जी sir. So should we wrap it up?
सवालात का सिलसिला खत्म हो गया है.
Okay. So then okay, let's wrap it up.
Sir, we have Professor Harbhajan Bansal sir with us.
Okay, let's have a couple of lines from him. Then we'll wrap it up. Okay.
Hello, sir. Harbhajan sir.
अभी उनको टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा आने में, रो में. Dr. Bansal, has he joined, Pramod?
Yes sir. He's in meeting. मैं कॉल करता हूँ सर को.
नहीं, हेलो.
हाँ सर.
हेलो.
Yeah, Dr. Bansal,
Yes, sir.
you are audible. Yeah, please.
आने दो, फोटो भी आने दो सर.
Put your video on.
Okay.
अरे सर वीडियो ऑन करो ना.
वो मेरी टी-शर्ट.
कोई बात नहीं, टी-शर्ट इज नॉट बैड.
सर मैंने भी टी-शर्ट डाल रखी है. Come on.
वो मेरी फटी पुरानी है.
That's good.
Nice to see you.
On करो sir.
Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, absolutely.
और बताइए sir. How's your health now?
I'm pretty okay.
Okay.
Anyway, at this moment I am addressing the students. 5-6 साल पहले मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी. 5-6 साल पहले, maybe 10 years back. Stay hungry, stay foolish. रश्मि
बजाज की. रश्मि बजाज. बंसल, yeah.
IIM अहमदाबाद की स्टूडेंट है वो भी. उसने 25 ऐसी केस स्टडीज ली हैं जिन लोगों ने IIM अहमदाबाद से PGP किया मैनेजमेंट में, इक्विवेलेंट टू MBA प्रोग्राम किया वहां से, और उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना बिजनेस शुरू किए. So they were 25 entrepreneurs. And believe me, अगर आप में से कोई भी आदमी वो बुक पढ़े, आपके अंदर भी एक जज्बा पैदा होगा कि मैं भी एंटरप्रेन्योर हूं. इतनी प्यारी किताब है, इतनी जबरदस्त स्टोरीज हैं वो. आई एम श्योर कभी मैं बुक लिखूंगा वैसी तो मीनाक्षी की स्टोरी उसमें जरूर होगी.
Oh, so nice of you.
बस सर 24 और इकट्ठी करनी रहेगी.
हैं? नहीं, मेरे पास
नहीं सर. 8-10 तो अपने डिपार्टमेंट से मिलेंगे आपको, डोंट वरी.
25 हैं मेरे पास. मेरे अंदर लिखने का जज्बा नहीं है अभी.
बस आप वो लिख देना, फिर मैं उस बुक को पढ़ लूंगा.
और मैं अपने इस टाइम जो हमारे करंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मैं इनको कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप सब भी, बहुत ही सस्ती किताब है. 101 रुपए की है. एक दिन तो अमेजोन पे 33 रुपए की मिल रही थी और मैंने 20 कॉपीज ऑर्डर की और बाई चांस वो ऑर्डर मैच्योर नहीं हो पाया. तो आप उसको पढ़ेंगे तो लिटरली आपके अंदर भी एक जज्बा होगा कि मैं जिंदगी में कुछ करूं, रिस्क लेने से ना घबराऊं, कुछ बड़ा करने से ना घबराऊं, बड़ा सपना देखूं. और सच में जब हम लोग एक बड़ा सपना देखते हैं तो लोग हम पे हंसते हैं, उनको अनबिलीवेबल सी लगती, पागलपन लगता है. लेकिन अगर आपके अंदर पैशन है, जुनून है और आपके अंदर कमिटमेंट है,
सिर्फ सपने देखना काफी नहीं है, उन सपनों को साकार करने के लिए मेहनत करना जरूरी है, कमिटमेंट जरूरी है। और सबसे बड़ी कमिटमेंट होती है बीइंग स्टेडफास्ट इन द फेस ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज। अगर कोई क्राइसिस नहीं आ रहा, आप लगे हुए तो क्या क्या खास बात है, लेकिन क्राइसिस होने के बावजूद, सबके मना करने के बावजूद जब आप लगे रहते हो और अल्टीमेटली सक्सेसफुल होते हो, तो आप जब वो सक्सेस पहले से अपनी आंखों से देख रहे थे तो बाकी लोग आपको बेवकूफ बताते थे, लेकिन द मोमेंट यू बिकम सक्सेसफुल, people are really proud of you. I wish you all the best. I am very happy to learn about मीनाक्षी story. हालांकि बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे पता थी, अक्सर हम लोग गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेजेस एक्सचेंज करते हैं और बाकी और बातें भी करते रहते हैं, पर मुझे इतना डिटेल में इनकी स्टोरी के बारे में नहीं पता था, वो मुझे आज सुना मैंने, एंड आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट।
Thank you,
और
sir.
आई विश हर ए वेरी ब्राइट फ्यूचर।
Thank you, sir.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि इसने खुद ही कहा कि she wants to train some of our students by taking them as interns, coach them। और सच में इनकी ये बात बिल्कुल सही है कि एक बड़ी कंपनी में तो आप एक जाके मैट्रिक्स में फिट हो जाते हो, आपके पास करने का बहुत कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन आप एक छोटी कंपनी या एक स्टार्टअप के साथ सीखते हो तो यू आर योर ओन बॉस। Every day you will face challenges, and every day you have to find the solution to those challenges. That kind of learning is missing in big organization, absolutely missing. मेरे कजन ने 1986 में IIT कानपुर से इंजीनियरिंग किया, उसके सारे क्लास फेलो ज्यादातर यूएस चले गए, इंडिया में भी जो थे, जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां थी उनमें थे। He joined a very small company, उषा माइक्रो कंप्यूटर। तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा कि भैया आपने ये क्यों ज्वाइन की? कहता यार छोटी कंपनी में सीखने को बहुत कुछ होता है, बड़ी कंपनी में आपको सीखने के बॉस ने कह दिया ये काम करो और आप करके ले आए, दैट्स इट। छोटी कंपनी में बॉस कहता है जा देख कर, अब ये प्रॉब्लम है, देख क्या करता है, करके ला कुछ। तो कहता हम पागलों की तरह लगे रहते हैं। दैट काइंड ऑफ स्पिरिट हैज टू बी इवॉल्व्ड, इट इज इन यू, you just have to explore it within yourself, bring it to your conscious level and work on it, leverage the power of it. I wish you all the best for this, and I thank Dr. Karampal, who is our director, and I really believe he is taking HSB to a new orbit of excellence. Thank you. Okay, that's it from me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Dr.
sir.
Bansal, for your benign presence.
Thank you, sir.
For your calm presence, I should say.
आपने सही छौंक लगा दिया सर।
So, Pramod, wrap up करें?
जी sir.
Okay. You need me something to speak?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Anyway,
Yeah.
let's keep it informal and simple,
Simple.
not complicated like anything.
That's right.
The purpose of such talks are just to interact, learn from each other, and to let our current batch of students have the requisite quantum of push and motivation to see somebody from themselves, somebody from their own reaching to some good height. And I think this is working, and this was the idea conceived while walking on the road. And initially, like it's a kind of something that Dr. Karampal asked me, can we do it? And then we have been doing it since long, and Pramod is an instrumental in that. So thank you, Pramod, for that. And
Thank you so much, sir.
Dr. Bishnoi, my friend, very aptly, very beautifully, and like wonderfully welcomed Meenakshi and briefed Meenakshi in such a way that nothing more is left to be said. But yes, Meenakshi and everybody, one thing I'd like to add before a teacher हूँ तो teacher वाली बात तो करूँगा ना। Meenakshi ने एक बात कही कि I don't know whether I'll fail or not. In that context, Meenakshi, Min, we used to call her Min, and other guys, like one cannot fail in the life. Life doesn't have failure. Life is about a journey only. It's only a matter of how farther and longer you travel. तो घर से निकल लिए हैं तो फेलियर तो है ही नहीं. फेलियर, there is nothing like being like failing. It's only इतनी दूर तक है, इतनी दूर तक आ गई है लड़की, तो there is no failure now. Okay? और फेलियर, क्योंकि जिंदगी में कोई डेस्टिनेशन होता भी नहीं है. And same is true in the business. If you ask any great business person कि भैया कहाँ जाना है, क्या डेस्टिनेशन है, if you ask Bill Gates, if you ask anybody कि where is the destination? And same about life. There is no destination. कोई मंजिल तो होती नहीं ना, चलना ही मंजिल है. उस चलने में जो आनंद है, and that's the crux of life. And that's I like to communicate to Meenakshi and communicate to everybody. There is no failure. Anyway, guys, and thank you. Special thanks to Meenakshi. It's really been long that I've heard you like this. And there's a time then she used to travel and she used to interact for long hours, long discussions, long talks, long pains and long where to go, how to go and all that. तभी मैं एक बात बोलता था, और आज भी, और उसको भी, सबको भी, भाई घर से दरवाजे से निकल लो, everything else will fall in place. कहाँ रास्ता भी मिलेगा, लोग भी मिलेंगे, रिसोर्सेज भी मिलेंगे, पर घर से कदम निकलना पड़ेगा. And that is the most difficult and dangerous thing. पर danger तो उठाना पड़ेगा. So with that, we conclude it, and thanks to one and all, and special thanks to Meenakshi. And it was really a wonderful session, Meenakshi. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, Pramod.
Yes, I request to all of you, please start your videos so that we can click some pictures. Yes, all of you, please start your videos.
बड़ी सी लेना भाई.
हाँ जी सर.
हो गई प्रमोद?
नहीं सर, अभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स ऑन कर रहे हैं सर वीडियो सर. बड़ी सी पिक्चर लेने के लिए थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा.
Steve, I have written some lines for you. Quick, sir.
So we have now 10 participants. Yes, please be ready. 1, 2, 3. One more click, please. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Meenakshi.
Thank you so
Bye.
much for taking out time.
Sir, thank you, Harbhajan sir, Karampal sir.
Very soon we all will meet in HSB face to face. Lot of people.
Oh yeah.
मीनाक्षी जब बोल रही थी ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वक्त रुक गया है.
हाँ जी सर.
Meenakshi, mark these words. This coming from Dr. Karampal means a big compliment.
बहुत ही wonderful it was.
Sir, now I'm feeling, I'll tell you, Pramod is, literally pushing me hard, from the last 1 year. And
Sorry, ma'am, बहुत परेशान किया मैंने आपको.
no, I'm really thankful to you that you pushed me, because my thought process was little different. कि मैं मतलब आप सबके सामने मैं क्या बोलूं, I'm still very small, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, ये तो सब कर लेते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. जिस दिन कुछ होगा ऑटोमेटिकली पता लगेगा टाइप्स. But then Sanjeev sir had told me one thing, that आप सोचो कि आप अगर 10-15 साल पहले आप स्टूडेंट हो तो आपको क्या इंस्पिरेशन मोटिवेशन मिल सकता है. And then from that perspective, when I thought, I actually realized that it makes a lot of sense. So that's how I told Pramod that okay, फिर आप सेटअप कर दीजिए कॉल. मेरे पास तो बहुत स्टोरीज.
बहुत. प्रमोद को इसी काम के लिए छोड़ रखा है, ढूंढ के लेके. ये सब संजीव सर के कहने से ढूंढ के लेके आते हैं.
Fantastic sir, very good.
लेकिन ये अच्छा है, ये जो ना इसमें आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर होता है तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. और मैं समझता हूँ ये इट डज नॉट गो अननोटिस्ड. आप देखना कि आने वाले समय में इसके अच्छे नतीजे आएंगे.
बिल्कुल सर. इनफैक्ट आई वाज आल्सो टेलिंग कि अगर जो बाकी एलुमनाई हैं, अगर इफ वी कैन आल्सो कनेक्ट, बिकॉज वन इज फ्रॉम द एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स पर्सपेक्टिव, बट अदरवाइज वी शुड आल्सो नो कि हमारे सीनियर्स हैं या कोई भी हैं, हु इज डूइंग व्हाट. यू नेवर नो हु कैन कनेक्ट विद whom. So
हम मीनाक्षी वी आर वर्किंग ऑन ए डेटाबेस, हम वो तैयार कर रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा कोविड के कारण डिस्टरबेंस आ गया था। वेरी सून वी शैल बी लॉन्चिंग ए एनुअल न्यूज़लेटर ऑफ एलुमनाई।
Yeah, sir. It is very much
और
important.
हाँ, और हम जो है करीब हमारे 4000 से ज्यादा एलुमनाई, हम सबका डेटाबेस तैयार करेंगे।
Yeah, because if we will not create our brand, sir, कोई नहीं करने वाला.
Yes, and then we will keep it updated every year.
Fantastic.
We
sir.
have very ambitious plan in this connection. So let the normalcy come to place. We shall be doing much faster.
Sure, sir. Fantastic.
Okay.
Really,
Thank you,
Okay, guys.
meeting you all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Parmod.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, once again.